Hello, my friends. Today I am going to tell you something that may completely change the way you learn English forever. Do you know the English language has more than 1,70,000 words? Yes, more than 1,70,000 words. Now tell me honestly, can you learn all these words? Impossible. Even native English speakers do not know all 1,70,000 words. But here is the shocking truth. You do not need thousands of difficult words to speak English fluently. In fact, with just 521 words, you can understand most daily English conversation and start speaking English confidently. Yes, only 521 words. In today's video, I will explain why most people fail in English, how English really works, and what 521 words actually are, and how simple sentences can make you fluent faster. So watch this video carefully till the end because this may become the most important English learning video you ever watch. First, let us understand one important truth. Why does English feel so difficult? Most people think my vocabulary is weak. I do not know enough words. That is why I cannot speak English. But this is the biggest misunderstanding. The real problem is not vocabulary. The real problem is a wrong learning method. For years, students memorize difficult grammar rules, long vocabulary list, and complicated sentences. But when someone suddenly says, speak in English, their brains stop working. Why? Because language is not learned by memorizing. Language is learned by hearing, repeating, and using. Think about a child. Does a child first learn difficult dictionary words? No. A child learns simple words like eat, sleep, mother, water, come, go, and then repeat them every single day. That is how language becomes natural, not through pressure, not through fear, but through repetition. Now let me tell you the biggest secret about spoken English. Most daily conversations use only a very small group of common words. Words like I, you, we, they, come, go, eat, want, need, good, bad, happy, sad, home, work, school, etc. These words appear again and again everywhere. This means English fluency is not about knowing many difficult words. English fluency is about using simple words confidently and correctly. And this is where the 521 words become powerful. These 521 words are called high frequency words. That means these are the words people use most often in daily life. If you learn these words properly and practice them daily, you can understand more English, speak more naturally, and build confidence very fast. And the best part, you already know many of these words. Look at this example. I, you, go, come, eat, drink, need, want, like, happy, sad, home, work, friend, school. Simple words, but these simple words create real English. Now look carefully. Using only simple words, you can already make many sentences. Like I want food, she is happy, we need help, they go to school, come to my home, I like tea, he wants water. See, no difficult grammar, no difficult vocabulary, still these are real English sentences. This is how spoken English actually works. Now listen very carefully. Words alone cannot make you fluent. Patterns make you fluent. Native speakers do not create every sentence from zero. They use the same sentence pattern again and again. And once your brain learns these patterns, speaking becomes much easier and faster. Let me show you. Pattern number 1. I want to. This pattern is very powerful. With this one line, you can say many things like I want to eat, I want to sleep, I want to learn English, I want to go outside, I want to become confident. See, one simple pattern, many sentences. Now, pattern number 2. I need to. This pattern is used every day. I need to study. I need to call him. I need to practice daily. I need to wake up early. I need to work hard. Pattern number 3. I am going to. This pattern talk about the future. I am going to eat. I am going to study. I am going to travel. I am going to start today. I am going to improve myself. Now, pattern number 4. Can you? Can you help me? Can you explain this? Can you come here? Can you wait a minute? Can you call her? Pattern number 5. I don't want to. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to give up. I don't want to stop learn. I don't want to stay afraid anymore. Now, do you understand the secret? This is how English is spoken in real life. Not with difficult vocabulary, but with the simple words and the repeated patterns. And once your brain understands this pattern, your speaking becomes automatic. Now, let us talk honestly. Why do most people study English for years but still cannot speak fluently? Because they make 3 big mistakes. Mistake number 1. They try to learn difficult English first. Mistake number 2. They study grammar too much but never practice speaking. Mistake number 3. They fear making mistake. Listen carefully. Making mistakes are normal. Every fluent English speaker once spoke broken English. Confidence comes after speaking. So stop waiting for perfect English. Start speaking simple English today. And remember one thing. You are not weak in English. You simply learned English the wrong way. Nobody becomes fluent overnight. Fluency is built slowly, sentence by sentence, day by day. So do not compare yourself with others. Just improve a little every day. Even one new sentence daily can change your future. Let me tell you the final truth. English fluency is not about speaking difficult vocabulary. English fluency is about speaking simple English confidently. And these 521 words can become the foundation of your English speaking journey. So stop running behind difficult vocabulary. If this video helped you, then like this video and share it with your friend. And subscribe to this channel for more practical English learning videos. And comment below, I will speak English fluently. See you in the next video. Bye.